Welcome back to the EJ Ward FuelView training series. In this video, we're going to go over how to add a manual inventory reading. Now, for those of you that have a TLS or an ATG installed, the inventory readings are going to come in automatically. Every time that TLS or that ATG is pulled or talked to, it's going to give us an inventory reading, and then we'll take it in automatically. But if we need to do a manual one for maybe a tank that does not have an ATG or a TLS inside of it, we're going to go ahead and drop down the fuel management folder and go to inventory. So here you're going to see all the different inventory readings that have come in already, and you can see that it says TLS inventory on the reading type at the very right hand side. If we want to edit these, we can click on edit, and we'll go through that here in just a bit. But right now we want to add one, so we're going to click on add record. With the blank record shown up, we have our date and time. So I'm going to go ahead and put the date and time of yesterday at 6 p.m. and click on OK. Then I'm going to go ahead and select the tank that this was done on. So we'll go ahead and do the Manhattanville tank here. We'll put in the fuel level for this. And then you can put in your water level, the temperature, the status. So if this was normal, or if something was pumping while you were actually taking this reading, or delivery was happening while you were taking this reading, or both. So it was somebody was pumping from it and somebody was delivering. We're going to put a normal. And then the reading type down here is going to either be manual or a TLS inventory. TLS inventories are done automatically, so we're just going to be doing manual here. And we don't have the water level or the temperature, so we're going to leave those blank. And we're going to go ahead and click on save. So with this one, if the tank is not within the 10 minutes of the current time, it's not going to update that tank level. We're just putting in that inventory reading so we can have it for reporting purposes. It's going to let us know here that the tank level was not updated because the date and time was not within the 10-minute threshold of the current date and time. But it did save successfully, so we're going to go ahead and hit OK. If we close out of this and we go by our date and time, we'll be able to see this by going through the date and time and getting today's date. See, there's quite a few future ones. We've been testing on the system a bit. So let's just search by our site name first. Enter Manhattanville. We have our date and time, the fuel level. If we ever want to edit it, we can just click on edit. And now we can change the date and time, the tank. We can put in that water level and temperature if we want to, or we can change the status. Let's say somebody was actually pumping during that. We can change the status to pumping and then click on save, and that will change that inventory reading. And that concludes how to add a manual inventory into the FuelView system. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.